All right, so what's up, everybody? This is just a quick tutorial video just showing you how to check your holds or to see if you have any holds in Banner SSB. So the first thing that you want to do is log into my EOL. Once you've logged in, you will then scroll down to Banner SSB. Once you get to this screen, you'll have a variety of tabs here. You'll want to click on the Student tab. So once you get to the Student tab, you'll see a screen like this. This is a very important screen, as you can see the variety of different options it has listed here. Specifically to view your holds, you want to click on Student Records. Once you get to this screen, you can see you can view your holds, midterm grades, final grades, your transcripts, things like that. But for the purpose of this video, you'll want to click on View Holds. As you can see, I don't have any holds, but if you were to have a hold, it would be listed here in this section. Please make sure that you handle this if you happen to have a hold. If you're not too sure about exactly what the hold is, please feel free to ask me and we'll make sure that we get it taken care of.